Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crop a video on Capcut. First, open Capcut and then tap on New Project and then choose the video you would like to edit. So I'll choose this one in here, tap on Add. Right, so the video is added on the board. So first you'll need to tap the video on the trackboard. Once it's selected, you'll see options on the lower part of the screen. So slide it to left and then you'll see edit option. Tap on edit and then you'll see crop. Tap on crop. So here you'll actually have an option to choose any size that you want for your video to be cropped, but if you want it to be free size, then you can tap on free and then you can go ahead and crop your video. So let's say this is the only thing that you would like to show. Tap OK and then there it is. Your video has been cropped. And that's how to crop a video on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.